Learn Chinese measure words with Dao Mandarin. What is measured word? Let's see one example.
一个苹果
You can see
个
is the measured word. A measuring word in Chinese is a word used between a number and a noun to make the phrase sound right. It's like saying a piece of cake or a pair of shoes in English. In Chinese, you always need to use a measuring word when counting things. Let's learn several common measured words and a simple measured word structure. Number followed by a measured word, and then the noun. For example,
一个人
in Chinese, different nouns match with different measured words. For beginners learning Chinese, it's best to start with around 10 to 15 essential measuring words. These cover most everyday situations and help you get comfortable with using the structure. Let's learn more.
个
This is the most general measure word and can be used with many different nouns, especially when you're unsure about the specific measure word. Example:
一个人一个人一个苹果一个苹果 本
used for books or items that have a binding. Example:
一本书，一本书，一本杂志，一本杂志，
只 used for animals or one of a pair like a hand or a shoe. Example:
一只猫，一只猫，
一只手，一只手，
条
used for long, thin, or flexible objects. Example:
一条鱼，一条鱼，
一条裤子一条裤子张
used for flat objects. Example:
一张纸一张纸
一张桌子，一张桌子，
瓶
used for bottles.
一瓶水，一瓶水，
一瓶酒一瓶酒
杯，
used for cups or glasses. Example:
一杯茶一杯茶一杯咖啡 一杯咖啡。块，
Used for pieces, chunks, or slices. Example:
一块面包，一块面包，
一块巧克力。一块巧克力。